Hi there, I got mail from JLC, no, not JLCPCB, this time it comes from JLCMC. What does JLCMC mean? It means mechanical components. As you probably know, JLCPCB has a lot of little brothers and sisters. For example, JLC 3DP, guess what they make? 3D printing. And JLC CNC, well, it's pretty obvious, they do CNC stuff. You can send them your data and they send back the parts you want. A couple of numbers. JLC PCB makes 9 million PCBs per year. JLC 3DP has 300 3D printers in all kinds of technologies, and JLC CNC has 190 CNC machines, and they work day and night for you. So let me unpack this stuff here. The first package I have already opened because I was curious, and the second pack is not opened, but well, I know what I ordered, so I think I got exactly that. JLCMC came to me per email and they asked me if I want to make a video with their stuff, and now it arrived. Okay, that's that. Something. Okay, that's the first package. Let's see what's in the second bigger box here. And here is an overview of everything. I ordered a couple of these aluminium cases here. They are pretty nice. Split case design with a front and end plate. Then a couple of these round cases here, also with end plates and screws. And some of these miniature cases here. Stuff you can use for whatever project you like, and they're available in black anodized or in silver aluminum finish. They cost 10 times nothing almost. I think the small cases here are somewhere about 80 cents, and to be honest, for 80 cents you probably won't even get that many screws, let alone the aluminum case. Then we have an LED working lamp here. It's an LED lamp with a, I think it should be watertight case. and it's running, it has 14 watts and it's running on 220 volts. So I will test that out. Well, yes, it has the proper colors of cables. 220, we have 230, I think that shouldn't be a problem. And I also bought 10 of these optical sensors here that are optical proximity sensors. I need them for another project. Oh, I almost forgot, I also filled my order with 3 end mills, 8mm and a 10mm end mill, each one with 4 flutes, and well, we can have a look at those under the microscope. At the first view they look pretty good, except I can't open this one. Oh, there's a paper over it. Okay. Yeah. Doesn't look too bad, right? Okay, let's test the LED light. Well, it turns out 14 watts of LED light is pretty bright. You can see that. Yes, I think that's certainly a good amount of light for work. So, for a work lamp, yes, that's the right stuff. You can also have this lamp in, I think, that's half a meter or 40 centimeters. You can have half meter, 75, 1 meter, and the longest is, I think, 2 meters long. So if you have a really big machine and you need some light, well, here you go. And now let's play with this proximity sensor. So the case says brown 12 to 24 volts, blue 0 volts, black normally open, white normally closed. So that should be pretty easy to connect. Let me do that. Alright, so we have a green LED here, we have a red dot here. I don't know if it's a laser or if it's just a red LED. So if I go closer, the indicator here turns red. And of course there is an adjustment screw. I don't know if it's a potentiometer, it feels a little bit like a mechanical thing. So we can adjust this distance here. Yep, there's the point. If I move away, it goes green. If I move closer, it gets red. And it's also possible to adjust it for very close distance here. Yeah, seems to work. And last but not least, here are the microscope images of these end mills. Of course, the finish doesn't tell you much. I mean, it looks good. It seems to have a certain quality. But of course, the most important factor is the steel itself. Is it good steel? Is it treated correctly? If it's too hard, it will break. If it's too soft, it will bend and get dull. So, well, time will tell. at least the images look great. Thanks for watching.